Everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to download Instagram Reels video in Telegram. First, you just have to simply launch your Instagram application and make sure that this one is up to date. Now, what you're going to do here is to look for the video or Reels that you want to download. So you just have to tap this Reels icon here and look for the video or Reels that you want to download. Okay, so let's just say this one. So all you have to do is to tap this paper plane icon and then look for copy link. Tap this copy link here and then you can now exit your Instagram application. And this time you have to locate your Telegram. So look for your Telegram application and again make sure that this one is up to date. So launch your Telegram application. And once you're here, what you want to do is to look for the search icon and search for this word or account here. This one is a bot. So this is this Carger. And you have to look for something with the same icon or symbol that I'm about to show you right now. So this one here, tap this and then click start. Now, the next thing to do is to simply paste the link or Instagram link that you have copied from your Instagram Reels. So paste it right here, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as this bot process your request, and that is to download the Instagram Reels video in Telegram. And the very specific reason why we need this is, of course, to remove the watermark on this Instagram reel. So all you have to do is to click the video, tap this three dots, and then click Save to Gallery. And once done, you have to go to your folder, specifically to your gallery, and open the video and see how this bot removed the Instagram Reels watermark. So this is the result and I do really hope that you like this video. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.